Hi, I'm Chroma Doctor from Young & Chromas. I'm going to provide the easiest installation tutorial for Aquapuri Essence Plus system. First of all, open the box and take out the packing kit and buffer. Lift up the Aquapuri Essence system. In the packing kit, there are tubings, a final filter, a test certificate, a 2 mm hex wrench, filter replacement tools, a 25 ml syringe, a power cable, and a user manual USB included. Peel off the packing cover. Open the front door and take out all the packing buffers. There are Aquapuri Essence Plus Pack or Aquapuri Essence Plus Pack 1 is included in the front side. And the ICP filter could be included if it is for ICP-MS application. Remove all the fitting plugs at the tip of tubings. Remove all the black filter plugs as well. Connect the tubings to the filter fittings with hands. You only need to plug the tubings up to the end. For Aquapuri Essence Plus models, there is a final filter to be installed. Take out a bracket and unscrew a nut. Place it in a hole of right top of the system and fasten the nut with a hand. Tighten the hole with a 2 mm hex wrench. Insert a tubing to the bottom of the bracket. Hand tighten the final filter under it. On the left side of the system, there can be Essence Plus Pack 2, UF filter, and UV lamp installed depending on models. If installed, remove the fitting plugs and filter plugs of Essence Plus Pack 2, and then, insert tubings to the fittings up to the end. On the rear side of system, remove the fitting plugs of reject and inlet 2 ports. And connect the tubings to each port. Connect the power cable. Turn the power on, then, press the select button for stabilization. It will take 60 counts. There might be water flowing through the final filter during stabilization. Easy, huh?